Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Our tutorial today we are going to make a tutorial how to make a request of a payment via Payoneer account. This happens maybe when you have an international or a global client who wants to pay you and you need to request them to make a payment. So the very first requirement that we need to is to have a Payoneer account. Secondly, we need to have a Payoneer account that is verified. Thirdly, we need to have a Payoneer account that has its global payment service enabled. In the description link, you will find a link that leads you to how to verify a Payoneer account and how to also to enable the global payment service. It will not be possible to make a request from an international client to pay you if the global payment service is not enabled. So let us go direct one-on-one to the tutorial. So the very first thing we can see here, this is our Payoneer account. We are trying to make a request from the payment from an international global client. So the first step that will come here is will come request a payment. Once we come here to request a payment, we will have this tab that tells us request a payment, ready to send payment request to international business client. First check what that the request a payment is right into a business. As I have said that this Payoneer is already verified, and thirdly it is the global payment service is enabled. This is where we have the global payment service. Will come here. How do you collect payment from the client today? By billing them directly via marketplace platform. Will be by billing them directly. Then we'll come to after we click, we enable by billing them directly. We'll go, how do we request a pay who do we request a payment from? It's another business, other consumers. They are it's another business. Select the category of business of which business it falls in. It falls in supply. We have options. Option one is supply and logistics, content, programming, design and media, marketing, performance, consulting, and so what we'll be making is we'll click non marketing place. Then they will tell us get great, look like the request payment is right for your business. Now provide the details to verify the line of business. When you say marketing performance, they might request us to provide other verification details. So the best thing is to say none of the above. They will tell us maybe to tell them more about maybe what type of payment we need. They tell us Payoneer flexible way to get paid by companies and marketplaces in the world. Uh-huh. Get my receiving account. Get my receiving account details. So we will come here. These are my receiving accounts. We have Payoneer enables you to have three accounts in your Payoneer account. One of the account is GBP, is receiving account. The other one is US receiving account. The receiving account, we need to receive cash via our US account. We'll view details. Here we have in case we needed the client to pay us. We'll come here and say we'll provide them with we'll come here and here you can see in my Payoneer account. It has provided all my details that I need for the international client to make the payment to me. We can see First Century Bank. We have the bank address, we have the routine number, we have the account number, then the beneficiary. With this, it means even somebody who wants to wire cash in the bank account, they will be able to access you. So when we say copy, it means we've copied all those details, and you can see here it's in the global payment service. The global payment service, the guidelines they are telling us: use local bank transfer with US dollars via ACH network. Only payments for business transaction are supported. Payments must be done from registered business only. Payments from individuals will be declined. Payment from a person or a company, where a company or payment made by a person or company, or a payment made from a person or company account, you will only be declined will be declined. It means it's only accepting payments that are made by businesses. If a payment is made by personal company account, it will be declined. Why transfers are not supported. So I think now the tutorial has come to an end. Anytime you need to make a global payment service and you have an international client who needs to pay you, that is step by step how to make a request of a payment from to make a re, to make to request a payment from a global client. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you.